Ndio jambo ningependa niseme na niwaombe, sababu kwa sasa many Kenyans are hurting. Hata tukienda Christmas hii kuna Wakenya wengi hata wajui sikukuu watakula namna gani. Kweli si kweli? Ikifika Januari kuna wazazi wengi hapa hata wajui watoto wataenda shule namna gani. Fees Januari ni shida, sababu kila kitu imetoka bottom imeenda wapi? Up. Mafuta imetoka bottom imeenda wapi? Up. Chakula, kila kitu. Na ndio sababu tunauliza wabunge wetu, if you borrow a leaf from Sifuna, then go back to parliament na usimame kwa mambo ya wananchi to defend them. Many of these people here, wakati wa Finance Act public participation, over 80% of Kenyans said no to the Kenya Kwanza taxes. Lakini when it came to voting, only 88 members of parliament stood with Kenyans to say no. Amongst them, hapa Bungoma, we must say the truth. Tuko na kijana anaitwa Wanami wa Mboka, Wabumula, alisimama na ninyi wananchi. Oyo saarum secha? Tuko na kijana Kalasinga Majimbo, ameka buchai. Sakataka hasecha? Sisi tunasema ya kwamba going forward, if you stand by principle, simama na wananchi. Don't be intimidated ama ununuliwe upige otherwise. Leo tunapoongea tumeambiwa mafuta imeteremka. Mafuta imeteremka na shilingi 5 kwa petroli. Imeshuka na shilingi 3 kwa mafuta taa. Lakini mlipopitisha finance bill, we doubled VAT on fuel from 8% to 16%. Kwa mafuta taa peke yake, kina mama mlio hapo, tuli double hiyo pesa. Ile increment kwa mafuta taa was increased by 33 shillings. Kwa hivyo ukitoa shilingi 3 na ulikuwa umepandisha na shilingi 33, vandu vevu ngoma, utakuwa umefanya haki kweli? Hayo ndio tunasema, mkirudi huko, go with the courage of Sifuna. Say no kwa zile taxes zinaongezeka, because we have more new taxes coming. Please stand with the people, and that is the greatest legacy you can give Sifuna and ensure that his legacy never dies. Vandu vefwe senenyando mekhukhilaota basayendi omutiro khalota omwichukhulu mwengele khalota luno naoleyo alakana no mwengele Wamalwa kijana mfukira mwekho kimilemba amwilile alakana nende wamakinia masinde muliro murume khona kimilembe. Omwami Ken Lusaka akhabola nero moya maana sana, kakhabola alingali khwaba nende ba speaker bataru, and that is true. Omwami Ken Marende, omwami Ken Lusaka, omwami weta abasa khwaruka sindu nisyo balanga ba the legislature na wicha lube kalwa abundu bali judiciary ni makhalaka kamalaka. Khwaba nendo mwana mukavarasi wechesoni kecha ka leader la arm of government, lakini na wicha the remaining arm of government. Khwaloba khwabanyinda afunga Sifuna akhola kama khwana khuli nende by election iwevuye malaka abola alisewa wasudi khwebula kusudi khunani omurwa yuno sala khunule ndebe yewevuye ta niko bakhola zero nene kina bamunyinyi vanno nabo kina wakoli baliano kina jebi munyasya baraka malaka chimbwa na chipusi ekaburengu bali moyi kecha litoka lyasima moyi karano kwa mupasi mala kwa mukhaya mala kabola ali babukusaba mukule bakheba yenu bunyinda afungo babukira khwabola khuli esafari ya Wamalwa esafari ya muliro paka khube banyinda afunga Sifuna ni khukikamilisha. Bandu befwe muli tayari? Muri mnawela abalindi.